We're gonna today do the opening of this Lavalier Go Rode mic, which attaches to your laptop to get you better sound quality. So if you're doing Microsoft Teams calls, you might want to consider about getting one of these. So this is the Lavalier Go Rode mic that attaches to your computer. So let's open it up and see what it's like inside. Okay, I've just opened this up. They do seal these really tight for some reason, so oh gosh, so I'm just gonna open this up. My apologies, I'm doing this. I'm holding my camera while I'm doing this, and Rode mic, you need to put less glue on this. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna come back once I've opened it. Oh my days, done it! There we go, inside one Lavalier. It sounds like a car, like a Sierra or a fancy car, like you know the name Lavalier Go. Rode mic. So let's open this up and let's see what's inside. So you've got a pouch, which is nice. Oh, I can hear the sweets again. That's it. That's all that's inside. So let's open up the pouch, and here is the product. So you've got your Lavalier Go pop shield. So you got a pop shield, Lavalier Go, pop shield, and a pouch, and I think that's it. And also, by the looks of it, you've also got your sweets. So has anyone still figured out what these are, folks? This one's even branded sweets, and that's it. A nice little Rode mic, Rode bag as well, which is quite cool. And here is my audio connection for my laptop. Comes with a little attachment as well, and just connect that, and hopefully you'll get better sound when you're doing your video calls. So yeah, thanks for watching. Lavalier Go. Fabulous. See you later. Bye.